Assalamu alaikum guys, Ramadan Kareem, my Ramadan Mubarak, and today I am in East London. I'm going to be seeing how London is. MashaAllah, looking very beautiful right now. You know, so many people are selling clothes for Ramadan, for Eid. Oh wow, MashaAllah, look at this. So you know, a lot of people are selling fruits. It's right before, you know, Iftar. It's like Asr prayer. See the markets here selling fishes, fruits, a lot of things here, you know. Everybody is buying before they break their fast. MashaAllah, man. It's so beautiful seeing this in the month of Ramadan right here. As you can see, hijab selling 4 for 5 for £10, 4 for £10, all of these hijabs. Prayer mats for Ramadan, all these different types of prayer mats here. Abayas, 2 for £25. You know, a lot of like Muslims are here, which is so beautiful to see, mashallah. Look at this. These are the markets, as you can see. This is the Iftari. A lot of people are praying for Iftar. You can see chicken, samosas. MashaAllah, look what they have. They have tandoori chicken, normal chicken, a whole platter. Everybody is preparing to break their fast. Right here. Oh wow. Look at this. All of the greens, vegetables. Everybody is buying stuff. You know what, alhamdulillah, I love this part of London. It's so beautiful to see like the culture in different places. This area has a big culture of, you know, Bangladeshi people and Somali people. As you can see, it's just markets on the streets. You know, these are like sweet shops, and every single body is buying sweets to break their fast for Ramadan. Oh wow, alhamdulillah. So Ramadan season, like, it brings everybody together, and that's what I like about it. You know, there's a lot of, you know, abaya shops here, thobe shops if you want to buy thobes. Look at all of these thobes in here. Special offer, thobes, £10 only thobes. Like, you know, this is what I love about Ramadan, man. The feeling is just something else. The feeling is just something different. Miswak, which is free. Assalamu alaikum. Is the miswak free? Oh, thank you very much. We have a miswak here. I will take one. Assalamu alaikum, how are you? I will probably, let me get one of these, the one which smells good. Let's go. Yeah, this one smells good, to be honest. But so
this one for this is second wife.
Second wife.
Second wife. Very nice smell.
Okay.
Check for this one.
Okay. So I don't have a first wife yet.
Yeah.
This was
usually for second wife. No needed first wife.
okay. Yeah, mashallah, it's nice. Yeah.
Yeah, very nice. Also this one.
Yeah.
For Salma too.
For Salma too.
Yes. This also very
Okay.
nice. Fruity and sweety.
Oh, mashallah, it's good. I like this one though. The second wife one is.
First one. Yeah,
Oh, first wife. Yeah, first one here is good.
First wife finished. This is for second wife.
Oh, first wife is finished.
Finished.
The only second wife is
Second wife
available.
left.
Okay.
And more. This is for Oud Ambar.
Old Amir.
Oud Ambar.
Okay. I'll do on the other
Very
arm.
nice and for little bit stronger. This is for strong. Wood, lot of wood for our shop.
Yeah.
So this section all of for wood.
Mashallah.
125 pound, 12
Okay.
ml and 6 ml.
Okay.
And our shop for Ramadan time,
Yeah.
every two for sale.
Oh, there's a sale here in Ramadan. Okay.
Yeah, this is some one only for 10 pound for outside one. This is for
Yeah.
10 pound It's before 30 pound each.
Yeah.
Now only for
Yeah.
10 pound. This is for a lot of color, nearly 9 color.
Uh-huh.
This is for 10 pound each.
Okay,
This
mashallah.
section, this is 45 pound. Now only 25 pound.
Okay, all of these clothes for Ramadan and Eid
Yes.
and yes.
And look, this is for uniform.
Yeah.
This is
Ah.
11 color Palestine design.
Okay.
This before 45 pound selling.
Yeah.
Now Ramadan came in.
Yeah.
Only for 25 pound.
Oh, mashallah. This is like the Omani one, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
immediately. Look, this is different.
Yes.
different
Okay. Different colors of ones.
color, yes. Lot of colors. Lot of colors. Look,
Mashallah.
inshallah. You
Yes.
challenge your friend.
So your name is Salim.
My name is Abul Kalam.
Abdul. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Free miswak. Yeah, free for people. Yeah, yeah. Thank you very much. So, man, the people down here are so kind, very good people, and I got a free miswak. This right here is the best ever. It's like a toothbrush. It's the original toothbrush, and it's a miswak. So you brush your teeth with this. That was so funny. He had different perfumes. So one was second wife, but the first wife was gone. I would have bought the second wife, but I don't have my first one, so I didn't buy it. So right now, I am going to be going and praying Asr prayer in the masjid. It's time to pray Asr prayer. So let's go to this East London mosque. There's so many people here going to pray inside the masjid. And yeah. Oh, mashallah, look at this. Look at the masjid inside. Oh, look at how many people are here for Asr prayer. Oh wow, mashallah.
الله أكبر أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله قد قامت الصلاة قد قامت الصلاة الله أكبر الله أكبر
عليكم
Assalam.
بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم عما يتساءلون عن النبأ العظيم الذي هم فيه مختلفون كلا سيعلمون ثم كلا سيعلمون ألم نجعل الأرض مهادا والجبال أوتادا وخلقناكم أزواجا وجعلنا نومكم سباتا وجعلنا الليل لباسا وجعلنا النهار معاشا وبنينا فوقكم سبعا شدادا وجعلنا سراجا وهاجا وأنزلنا لنخرج به حبا ونباتا وجنات ألفافا يوم ينفخ في الصور فتأتون أفواجا وفتحت السماء فكانت أبوابا وسيرت الجبال فكانت سرابا إن جهنم كانت مرصادا للطاغين مآبا جزاء وفاقا إنهم كانوا لا يرجون حسابا وكذبوا بآياتنا كذابا وكل شيء أحصيناه كتابا
الله مبارك
Ameen. Wow, mashallah. Mashallah, that is so beautiful. This is why I like, Ramadan in the UK. You see that recitation from that little kid, mashallah, man. It's so beautiful. Look at this. Look at the local markets here for Ramadan. Like, everybody here is in thobes, getting their fruits, getting their stuff, ready to have their iftar. So for iftar, I don't know what food to get. The Bangladeshi food, mashallah, is looking amazing. So I'm gonna have to go and try that one. Can I have? I don't even know what to get here. Just meat, meat. Yes.
Chicken.
Meat, please.
How many?
One and one samosa. Meat, please.
There is chicken. We have only
Chicken. That's fine. That's fine.
Boom boom Arabic. Sorry, I see. Sorry. Boom boom.
Oh, anything on the house.
Oh, okay. Anything. Just pick anything. Okay, cool. Yeah, give me that one. Thank you very much. Look at this. Everybody's packing up. They're getting ready, you know, to pray. They're getting ready for their iftar. Everybody's closing up their shops. But so the lady only charged me £2 for a lot of stuff. Like she said, oh, just take it for free. MashaAllah, man, you know, this is why I love the people down here. They're so friendly and they're so kind. So it's very close to break my iftar. So I'm going to be going to East London Mosque to have my iftar. Let's see how it is. This right here is the masjid. East London Masjid. Look at it. It's so beautiful to see. So many different brothers are here from a lot of backgrounds. And you know, for Ramadan, everybody comes together. Everybody eats together. Thank you. Look how many people are here. So it's time for people to break their fast here. MashaAllah, look at this. Look how many brothers are here, are waiting to break their fast. So many brothers. Look at the food here, which they have. Rice. I think this is all Bangladeshi food. As you can see, there are so many people here waiting to break their fast in the masjid. And look how many people are here. A lot of people. MashaAllah. So inside they give you like a meat with rice. Let me know what the rice and the meat is called, the name. And they give you water, a fruit, and they give you a cake as well, mashallah. Look how many brothers are here, you know. There was over, let's say that over 500 people coming here to break their fast in the masjid, which is so beautiful.
أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله حي على الصلاة حي على الفلاح قد قامت الصلاة قد قامت الصلاة الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله
MashaAllah. Oh wow. The recitations. Ooh. The best. The best of the best recitations ever. How many people come here to pray? Like the masjid, the whole masjid holds up to around, let's say, 10,000 people. Look at this street right here. You would feel like you're in like Bangladesh or something. Like there's so many different shops. You know, they're selling you know, coffee, tea, straight hot tea, kebab, aloo chop, like every single type of food they are selling here. This Ramadan here, I am addicted to milk cakes. So in London, it is the month of Ramadan, and you know, they did put lights up to say Ramadan Kareem, Ramadan Mubarak. As you can see right here, it says Happy Ramadan, and all of the Ramadan decorations right here. It says Happy Ramadan, it says Happy Ramadan, and all of the decorations here of Ramadan Kareem. Ramadan Mubarak to everybody fasting in this Ramadan, and hopefully all your du'as get accepted. And yeah, the UK, I'm actually shocked. Ramadan in the UK is actually so beautiful. Make sure you like the video and subscribe, and let me know where should I go next to have my iftar, which country. Take care guys, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in a bit.